Hey everybody, in this video we have a 2000 Volvo S40 lock, and we're going to be using the HU56 Lishi to pick and decode it. Then I'll run and cut a key on the Condor Dolphin, and I'll probably film that and post it on my other channel. So look for that link in the top right. Now this Lishi here, it's a twin lifter as we see. Make sure we get it all the way seated in the lock. Zoomed in here where you guys can hopefully see. And so first thing, like always, just figure out where our wafers are. So we've got even numbers are going to be going down, and odd are going to be going up. And do some heavy tension on it. And this does have all 8 cuts in it. And just start on the even numbers here. So start on 2, and it's binding. And nice click on 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, 2 is binding again. Get another click on 2. 4 is good, 6 good, 8's good. So now we'll check out the odd numbers. So number 1 is binding. Nice click on 1, 3, and we are actually open. So that's going to indicate, so we didn't have to do 5 or 7, that those are going to be 4 cuts, which are the longest cut in the system. So the tool automatically sets that. I know I kind of beat that point into the ground here making these videos, but it is good information to have with the Lishis. As far as decoding it goes here. Pen here. Alright, and decoding it. So start number 1. We have a 2, 1, 3, 2, and see 5 is definitely a 4. So we get 2, 4, 3, 7's a 4, and 8 is a 3. So we get, all right, so that leaves us with 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3. And I'll run that through Instacode or lock code or something and see if I can get a code on it here, and I'll go cut the key. And I'm just going to take the lock out there with me. So go do that real quick, guys, and we will be right back. Alright, so I went out to the Dolphin here and got the key cut, and I will put the video on the top right. See, the key works perfectly, and these keys look a lot like the HU101. This is, it's an HU56, but they look real similar. I think that's the Ford high security, among other things. But anyway, see, it works perfect, and the code ended up coming back DH0800, so it did give me a valid code as well. And questions or comments, as always, leave them in the comments. I do try to answer just about everything. And I guess next we're going to be doing a Han 77 video, which is the high security Honda motorcycle Lishi. And so I guess keep an eye out for that. And yeah, I guess that's all we got for this one, guys. Well, I'll talk to everybody later.